Hey everyone, let me just Google bar mitzvah vendors. We get, here we go, modernmitzvah.com right here on the first page. Okay, welcome to the modernmitzvah.com tutorial video. You're going to learn some about their interactive features that are designed to help parents plan their child's bar mitzvah. Let me start by saying that there are two sides to modern mitzvah. One is the user side for those that are planning a bar mitzvah, and the other is the vendor side for those companies that are building storefronts and brochures to advertise their services. Now, if you're a vendor, you should watch the modernmitzvah.com ad and brochure builder tutorial. It's a different tutorial than this one. It's on YouTube as well as Mitzvah TV. Okay, so we zoomed in here on the home page just a little bit on modernmitzvah.com. And I'm going to cover some of the components and applications, but there are way too many to go over all of them in detail. So I'll just cover a few of the major features and keep this video short and sweet. One of the main features of modernmitzvah.com is the local bar mitzvah vendor search. You'll find thousands of photographers, videographers, DJs, musicians, caterers, florists, and venues advertising with us. The first step a visitor takes to find a local bar mitzvah vendor is to choose their city or state. They can do that in a number of ways. By clicking here, Local vendors, they're taken to the list of locations. They can get to that same list of locations by clicking Find Vendors, or they can choose their location from the center of the home page. Let's choose New York. This page, you'll find all the New York vendors that have chosen to have a featured listing. And up top here, you have all the 27 different bar mitzvah vendor categories. Bar mitzvah caterers, DJs, florists, limos, photographers, etc. Let's click bar mitzvah dance bands. On this page, you'll find you have New York bar mitzvah dance bands. These are the storefronts. Let's look at this storefront. We have one image, the company name, 35-word description, company website address, physical address, phone number, contact this vendor link, and add to favorites, and the company brochure. The Modern Mitzvah vendor brochure has the company storefront at the top, an About Us section, a photo gallery, a promotion section, events that the company is hosting, endorsements, frequently asked questions, tips and trends articles, and testimonials. The next major two components of modernmitzvah.com are the free online bar mitzvah planning tools and the free bar mitzvah website builder. In the planning tools, click right here, you find a timeline, checklist, budget calculator, guest list, a message board, and an RSVP function. And in the free website builder, click right here. This is actually a free web-based program. And it's a real multi-paged interactive website that parents and kids can work on creating together. We'll go through all this in detail. And it's super easy. It's actually the only free bar mitzvah website builder on the web. Now, to access these tools, first you must register for an account. So click this Join Now link, fill out the registration form, hit Submit, and Modern Mitzvah will send you an activation email. In that email, there'll be an activation link. You click on the link to activate your account. Then from the home page, log in to your control panel. To log into your account, simply type your email address into this field, type your password here, and hit Go. Now you're at your account control panel. Now that you're at your control panel, come over here to My Planning Tools and click My Checklist. This is now your checklist timeline builder. You can click this blue See Checklist Guide to pull up a good 18-month bar mitzvah planning guide, step by step, something to use as reference. To create your own checklist, click this blue Add Task button, and then it pulls up the Add Task page. You can title your task, call caterers, and the dates that you want to accomplish this by, So you want this done on the 16th of June. Choose your category, bar mitzvah caterers, and the description. Call 5 caterers and click Save Task. Once you save your task, you'll see that it populates your list down here at the bottom. Now you can sort the list by status, by date, or by category. You can view any of these, edit, or completely delete. Let's go back to the user control panel by clicking User Home. And let's take a peek at the next tool, which is My Budget Calculator. Now this is an excellent tool for managing all of your bar mitzvah expenses. As you can see, it's broken up into all the different categories. They're all here: ceremony, videography, flowers and decorations, music and entertainment, stationery, gifts and favors. And what you do is simply enter the total cost and the amount paid to date for each item, and the calculator will give you the amount due per item as well as your category totals. And by the way, all of this information is saved in your account, so each time you come back, it is all here for you. Now from the control panel, let's learn how to build a website. Here's the My menu navigation. We have Home, Create Your Own Site, My Photos, Contacts and Messages, Account Home, Personal Profile, Event Profile, Help, and Deactivate Account. Let's click Create Your Own Site. Now this is the page that allows you to choose your website address. Choose one of these radio buttons. Let's click the top one here and click Next. Now we'll create a welcome paragraph and upload one photo. I'll just do this quickly to show you how. Welcome text, upload one photo, hit Next, and there you go. Now look over here under My Website. You'll see all of these new navigational points that were added to your control panel. Each one of these navigational points represents a page on your website, and we'll go through each one of these individually. Okay, let's go page by page of the website builder. Under My Website, click Home Page. This page gives you site appearance and design settings, so you can choose the colors and font. Next, we'll go to the accommodations page. This page is designed to direct your out-of-town guests to convenient hotels. So you type in your introduction text here. You can turn your page on with that blue button, click Save, and then click Add Accommodation. Now, I already did a few of these for you. I'll show you how this works. Click the Add Accommodation link, put the hotel name, phone number, street address, postal code, etc., the website, link to the hotel, a map, like a Google map that you can put the link to there, some comments about the hotel, and a photo if you like, and click Save, and then it'll populate on your page right here. Next we have the photo gallery. It's very similar. Type in your introduction text, click Save, turn the page on with this blue button, and then you can add your galleries. Now you can add a photo gallery from photobucket.com, or you can add videos from YouTube. It's the same thing. Click Add Galleries, title it with the name here, and then add your gallery code. Click Save, and it'll land right here. Next we have events. Again, similarly, you add your introduction text, hit Save, turn the page on, and then click Add Event. And again, I did a few of these for you. Bar Mitzvah Day is packed with time and place specifics, so this page is great for keeping your guests well informed with the place and time of ceremony, cocktail hour, reception, maybe a morning brunch. Create this page and then email it to all of your friends and family that you're inviting to your bar mitzvah, and they can come and check out and learn where to be and what time.